Yep, that's me. Hey Fashion Flies, welcome back to my channel, That's So Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know. Today we're going to be doing a very easy tutorial. This is something that I would consider a quarantine craft since me and a lot of the world is currently in quarantine due to COVID-19. And today's tutorial is going to be a very easy DIY face mask. I wanted to share how I do mine. There's lots of videos floating around, but mine is very easy, beginner friendly. I used some spare cotton I had at home. Just an FYI, Joann's stores are still open and they are giving away sewing kits for those who would like to make face masks for their local hospital, you know, so that's something you can get kids to do at home if you're bored because they're out of school. So yeah, so if you're interested in seeing how I do it, keep watching. You need some cotton fabric that is 100% cotton, some scissors, some pins, a ruler, and some elastic. First thing I'm going to do is use my chalk and draw a 6x9 rectangle, and I'm going to cut out 2 of those. Okay, I'm going to measure my 7 inches of elastic and pin them inside of my mask, and I'm going to do right side to wrong side, and I'm going to explain later why I did that. But after I do that, I'm going to make sure I pin all around and do a straight stitch around the entire rectangle. I'm going to fold in the opening and pin and do a straight stitch across. And as you can see, the reason why I did right side to wrong side is to differentiate the front and outside of the mask versus the inside of the mask. Finally, I'm going to add 2 pleats to both sides of my mask, and this is going to help your mask curve and fit your face. And once it is pinned, I'm going to do a straight stitch down both sides, and we are done. And I think it's so cute, quick, it's washable, reusable, and it can help out someone. Thank you Fashion Fly so much for enjoying that video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up so someone else can see it just like you did. And also I want to announce that I'm finally at my monthly goal of 600 subscribers. Thank you to everyone who has found my channel and decided to subscribe because you liked the content that you saw. Believe me, there's so much more to come. I also want to do a 600 subscriber giveaway. First step you have to do to join this giveaway, follow me on Instagram, comment below with a CashApp tag and a question that you would like, because I would like to film a Q&A, a question you'd like to ask me and a CashApp tag, because I'm thinking the best, you know, social distancing giveaway would be better via a phone. I'm not gonna say right now the amount, but I feel like anything helps at this time, whether you need food for your family, tissue, water, whatever. I want to contribute in a way that I can. So yeah, don't forget to do all that to enter the giveaway. Thank you for watching this video, and until next time, bye!